This thing right here claims to be able to hack my Wi-Fi. Let's see how it works. There's so much debris it leaves behind. So we got our antenna. Seems like the power supply, if you no, this is the main device, because that's where the antenna would go in. A mini USB cable. And then this is the big boy. It came with a little CD. Wireless adapter, quick installation, high power, 300 megabits per second. Please insert USB adapter directly into the computer's USB port. I really don't want to. Is this one just to give your desktop Wi-Fi? Is that all this adapter is? Because this thing looking like one of the guns from Hoth, this is a hacker. What are you gonna do? Put it on your belt? Why does it need to be the saucer? Like, I don't know a lot about this stuff, but this seems weird. I want to see someone trying to get their neighbor's Wi-Fi and they're like scooping this all around the house, like the cable fully strewn out, and they're like trying to get it just right. Like, oh no, you must turn it like so. Waves that get caught by dishes, the dishes like are a special material, right?
I'm a biologist.
I know. And then this bit here plugs into the other end of the T-fitting. I don't understand. And you can tell me, because some of you know, why would you need an antenna and a satellite dish both into the same T-fitting to accomplish anything? Put this inside your GameCube, what'd it do? Follow for more tech videos about things that don't matter. I need to figure out some more security precautions before I actually test this stuff out, because obviously when we get to the point where we're installing software, plugging in USB devices that are supposed to network, there's a lot of dangers that can happen here. So I wanted to make sure that I updated you guys since I showed myself ordering it so long ago that we could at least take a look at all the hardware.